Alright, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Always glad to have you aboard. Today, I'm going to unbox and review an item that I have been dreaming of having for a very, very long time. And I finally have got my hands on this product. The GoPro Hero 10 action camera. Let's go! Without any more further ado, let's get right into it if we shall. And we shall. I apologize for the shaking. But right out of the box, here's what you get. You got this little sleeve here with have product questions? Nope, I do not. And here is this little thingy that comes with it. No need on none of that. You got your USB charging cable or to connect to your computer to get pictures or video files off the camera. You got your little screw thingy here to connect this to the bottom of the camera. Awesome faucet. You got this gadget thingy right there. And lastly, out of the box, you got the star of the unboxing, the GoPro Hero 10 camera. And like I said, like I mentioned just minutes ago, to connect this with this to this, just simply move these up like so. Just like that. And you can connect this to this. Just like so. And the screw thingy goes right into the hole. Just make sure everything is all lined up perfectly good. Just like that. I won't do that all the way. But what I like to connect to this is this. Alright, here we go. This into the hole. Give it a twisty till it gets tight. And there you go. Awesome. Let's come in a little closer, if you will. You got the GoPro logo right there. You got your speaker, your main big camera right there. You have your front LED view screen right there. And of course you got your bigger LED screen right there. Got your GoPro Hero 10 Black logo right there. Your on and off button. And this is where you put your battery and your SD card in right here. Looks like that. For your battery. And your mini TF SD card that goes in there just like that. And you just snap it down just like so. Your power button Power's on the unit. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And as you can see, you got your LED screen right here, your first screen. Hey, you're looking at me. Oh, I'm touching the things on the back. Hi, look at me. And here it is from the side here. Very easy to navigate and to go through the settings. Let's go through those right now. Currently, I got this on 1080p, 24 frames per second. And everything else that you have, you got your, let's start from the bottom. You got your basic 1080p, 24 frames per second. You got your ultra slow-mo, 2K, no 2.7K. Make sure you can see that right quick, just like that. You got your cinematic, 5.3K, 30 frames per second. Your 4K, 60 frames per second super view. And you also get your standard 4K 30 frames per second wide. Let's just stick to the basic right there.
Revolutionary processor. Faster, smoother, better. The powerful new GP2 engine changes the game. Snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Designed specifically for the demanding nature of the GoPro. The GP2 system on a chip is by far their fastest ever.
Wow. Look at that beautiful, amazing sunset. Testing out the GoPro Hero 10. Wow, look at that amazing, beautiful sunset. Testing out the GoPro Hero 10. Captures beautiful, amazing video. Takes awesome, incredible pictures. This is a great camera. I am now shooting in cinematic. Incredible. Still shooting in cinematic. The GoPro Hero 10 is one of the best small action cameras to have. Guaranteed, bottom line. Amazing, clear, sharp picture. Great, amazing photos. The audio sounds absolutely incredible. You cannot go wrong with the GoPro Hero 10. Alright, that will do it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know why. If you would like to see another GoPro or another item or whatever that you would love to see unboxed and reviewed on this channel, sound off in the comments below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell so you do not miss another video uploaded and posted every single Monday night. Hoo-hoo, yeah, at 6 p.m. Hello, oh yeah. And until next time, you guys be good, you be good at it, you be great at it, and you be freaking phenomenal. As always, until next time, I will check with you guys later.